Hello friends, welcome back to my exam coaching classes once again. So first of all, thank you so much for watching my videos and thank you so much for your support. So today I have a very special topic for you, data interpretation part 1. So in this we will be solving some of the very important questions which are selected from previous papers. So let us go to the questions directly. So the first question is here. Answer the following questions based on the given graph. So we have some questions based on this graph. So let us study this graph first. The 5 different years 2003, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7 and 7, 8. 5 different years. The income and expenditure details are given in this graph. Here you can see students in 2003, 4 the income is 5,300 and expenditure is 5,100. Income is the blue line and expenditure is yellow line. So in 2004-5 you have 6,400 is the income and 5,800 is the expenditure. In 2005-6 7,500 is the income and 6,900 is the expenditure. And in 2006-7 8,500 is the income, 8,000 is the expenditure. And in 2007-8 9,400 is the income and 8,800 is the expenditure. So based on this graph we have some of the questions which we need to answer. So let us go to the question and see what are the questions given based on this graph. So the first question is here. The percentage increase in the gross income in 2005-6 as compared to 2003-4 is. So here you can see students what is asked, the percentage increase in which year 2005-6 as compared to 2003-4. So here you can see 2005-6 the gross income is 7,500 and 2003-4 this income is 5,300. So we have 5,300 and we have 7,500. And what is the percentage increase? So here you can see from 7,500 5,300 to 7,500 what will be the increase? The increase is how much? 7,500 minus 5,300, so it becomes 2,200. Okay, so we have we can answer like this. We have 7,500 minus 5,300 is equal to 2,200. Now this 2,200 is what percentage of the gross income in 2005-6? So divided by 5,000, how much? 300 multiplied by 100. So when you solve this, you can cut this two zeros. 22 into 100, 2200 divided by 53. So approximately it becomes, you can see 50 in 200 4 times. So 41.5 percentage. So 41.5 percentage is the answer. So accordingly you can mark the correct option is option B. Kindly note it. So this is the answer. Gross income in 2005-6 7,500. Gross income in 2003-4 5,300. Increase 7,500 minus 5,300 equal to 2,200. So percentage increase 2,200 by 5,300 into 100. So we got 41.5 percentage. So the correct answer is answer B. Accordingly, you can mark the correct answer. So let us go to the next question. So the next question is here. If profit is equal to income minus expenditure, profit is equal to income minus expenditure, then in 2006-7, what percentage of income is the profit made of? In 2006-7, what percent of income is the profit made of? 2006-7. 2006-7, we have income 8,500. So 8,500 is the income, and profit is equal to income minus expenditure. So 8,000 is the expenditure. So minus 8,000. So we got how much? 500 is the profit. 500 is the profit. Now this 500 is what percentage of the income? So we can say 500 divided by 8,500 multiplied by 100. So this is how much? This is the question. So let us see the answer here. So in 2006-7, we have 8,500 is the income, 8,000 is the expenditure. So profit is equal to expenditure, income minus expenditure. 8,500 minus 8,000 is equal to 500. So what percentage of the income is a profit? So we can see 500 by 8,500 multiplied by 100 is equal to 9.8%. So 9.8% from the given options, you can see D is the correct answer. So you can mark D is the correct answer. Kindly understand the question, pause the video and then finish it. Okay, let us go to the next question. So this question is, in which year was the profit as a percentage of income the highest? In which year the profit as a percentage of income the highest? So here you can see, here the income is how much? Income is 5,300, expenditure is 5,100. So the profit made here is only 200 rupees. Here you can see 6,400 is the income and 5,800 is the expenditure. So the difference of 600. So you can make 600 is the profit made here. Here 7,500 is the income and 6,900 is the expenditure. So here also we have made a profit of 600. Here 8,500 is the income, 8,000 is the expenditure. So this we have already seen. The profit made here is 500. Here 9,400 is the income, 8,800 is the expenditure. So the difference of 600 rupees. 600 is the profit. So what is asked here? In which year was the profit as a percentage of income the highest? So here you can see this is percentage of profit of income. So income is 5,300. Out of 5,300, here we have the profit is 200. So we will write it like this: 200 out of 5,300. In second case, 600 out of 6,400. In third case, we have 600 out of 7,500. In fourth case, we have 500 out of 8,500. And in the last case, we have 600 out of 9,400. So the question asked here is, as a percentage out of these 5 values, which is the highest? 100% we can say this is not the highest, and 500 out of 8,500 will not be the highest. These 3 are 600, 600 and 600. But here the highest value will be that which have the lowest denominator. So this value is the highest value, 600 out of 6,400. So that we have in 2004 and 5. So accordingly 2004-5, answer D will be our correct answer. Let us see the answer for this question. So the answer is here. In 2005-4-5, we have the difference is 600. Income is 6,400. So we have answer D is the correct answer. So kindly note it, understand the question and kindly note it. So next question. In order to make a profit of 10%, what should have been the approximate income in 2004-5? Total expenditure remaining the same. Approximate income in 2004-5, we need to find out. To make a profit of 10%, and total expenditure will not change. It remains the same. So in 2004 and 5, you can see the expenditure is how much? Expenditure is 5,800. So into 5,800 is the expenditure, and income, let income is equal to x, because income is what we need to find out. So let income is equal to x, and how much we need to make the profit? We need to make the profit of 10%. Okay, so x is the amount minus 10% of x will be equal to 5,800. Understand very clearly, from whatever is the income, out of that income, 10% is the profit. Remaining will be expenditure. So x minus 10% of x, this value you can put as what? 90x. 90x divided by 100 is equal to 5,800. Then cut this 0 and 0 and take this 10 to this side. So we got 9x is equal to 58000. So when solve this, we get what? X is equal to 58000 divided by 9. So when you do this, you can cut it here 6 times. 6 9s are 54. Again 440. 4 times. Again 440. 4 times. Again 440. 4 times 0.4. So 6444.4. So we have been asked to find out the approximate value from the given options. So the approximate value will be equal to what? 6444. So 6444 is option C. You can mark C as the correct answer here. So let us check the answer for this question. So yes, 6444 is the correct answer. And income is X. So we are taking what? We are taking income as X, and income minus expenditure is the profit. So income minus profit will become expenditure. I am taking this profit to this side, so it becomes minus profit. I am taking this minus expenditure to this side, so it becomes expenditure. So income minus profit is equal to expenditure. So now income we have taken x minus 10% of x. X minus 10% of x is 5,800. So from that, on simplification, this is very important. The simplification you should do. On simplification, we got what? 9x is equal to 58,000. On dividing 58,000 by 9, we got 6,444 approximately. So we got the value here. Kindly note it. Students, the next question. By what amount has the expenditure increased from the period 2003-4 to the period 2007-8? See, 2003-4, the expenditure was 5,100. Understand very clearly, in 2003-4, the expenditure was 5,100, and the expenditure in 2007-8 is 8,800. 8,800. So what is the difference between these two? The difference between these two is 3,700. So now by what amount the expenditure has increased? The expenditure has increased by an amount of 3,700. So accordingly, you can mark answer D as the correct option. Let us see the answer. Expenditure in 2003-4, we have 5,100. Expenditure in 2007-8, we have 8,800. So difference between them, 3,700. So accordingly, answer D is the correct answer. So this is one of the very easy question. So next question. So these are the questions we have done based on a bar graph. Now we have a pie chart here. Next question. Study the following pie chart and answer the questions that follow. Here, whenever you have a pie chart, students, understand this concept very, very clearly. So let me explain this before going to the questions. It's a pie chart. So when we talk about a pie chart, understand very clearly, this pie chart, the total degree measurement is 360 degree. Understand this very clearly. So here, if you add 36, 90, 108, 54 and 72, the total will be equal to 360. It's very, very important, 360 degree. Okay. So accordingly, whenever values are given in degrees, so whenever we have some amount to be divided into this, you have to multiply that particular amount with a fraction which is equal to the value, whatever value is given here, the value divided by 360 into amount. Value divided by 360 into amount. Understand very clearly, value divided by 360 into amount. So suppose here you have 36. So 36 degree. So 36 degree I can take as what? 36 divided by 360 into amount. Whatever amount is given in the question. So you can cut this 36 and 360 1 by 10 multiplied by amount. Suppose you have 90 here. So I can take 90 as what? 90 divided by 360 into amount, whatever amount is given in the question. So 90 divided by 360, I can make it as 1 by 4, 1 by 4th of the amount given. So this concept is very, very important before going to pie chart. So every pie chart will be given like this, and understand that the total degree measurement will be always 360 degree. The total degree measurement will be 360 degree. Very, very important concept. So based on this, we have A part is, this is A is 90. So this is your A, and B is 108. So this is B, and C is 54. This is C. D is 72. So this is D, and E is 36. So this is E. So A, B, C, D, E each have some values of degree, which we will be converting into some amount as per the given question. So let us go to the question one by one. Here is your first question. The question is, if the total amount spent during the year was 90,000, understand very clearly what is the amount given. The total amount spent during the year was 90,000, then the amount spent on commodities E and C is, E and C. Here E is how much? E is 36. E and C. So we have E is 36 and C is 54. So total we got 90. So 90 degree is the total measurement. What will be the amount equal to 90 degree? Amount equal to 90 degree, we know how to calculate. 90 divided by total value 360 multiplied by amount. Amount is how much? 90,000 here. So I told you 90 and 360, you can cut the 0 and 0. 9 4s are 36. So 1 by 4. So this 4 and 90,000 you can cut. How much? 22500. So 22,500 is the answer. So accordingly, answer you can mark. Answer B is the correct option. Okay, understand this very clearly. What I told. See, I'll tell you. Here you have 36 plus 54, 90. Whatever is the degree measurement total comes, that 90 divided by total degree 360 multiplied by amount which is given. What is the amount given here? 90,000. So 90,000. So you can cut this 90 and 360 1 by 4, and you can cut this 4 and 90,000. 22500. So accordingly you got the answer 22500. That's the correct option. So let us see what's the answer. Yeah, amount spent on E and C is 36 plus 54, which is equal to 90. So 90 can be converted into amount 22,500. So accordingly we got the correct option B. B equal to 22,500. Kindly note it, and then we will go to the next question. The next question is here. What is the difference between the expenditure on the commodities that have the highest and the lowest contribution if the amount spent on all the commodities together is 96,000. Here the amount given is 96,000. Okay, the amount given is 96,000. What is the difference between the expenditure on the commodities that have highest value and lowest value? Here highest value is what? Highest value is 108. So 108 is the highest value, and lowest value is what? Lowest value is 36. So 36 is the lowest value. And what is the difference between these two? 108 minus 36 is 72. So now 72 is the difference. So what is the amount equal to 72 degree? That is what we need to find out. So we know the method. 72 divided by 360 is the total, multiplied by given amount. Given amount is how much? 96,000. So you can cut this 0 and this 0. 72 and 36 2 times. 2 multiplied by 9600 will become 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 are 12, balance 1, 18 plus 1, 19, 19200. So accordingly, you can mark the correct option 19200. Understand this concept very clearly. What we have to do, the difference between 108 and 36 is 72. So whatever is the degree value we get, take the degree value divided by total degree is 360 multiplied by whatever is the amount given here, that amount you have to multiply to get the answer. So let us see the correct answer here. The highest value is B, 108 degree. The lowest value is E, 36 degree. And the difference between these two, 108 minus 36, we got 72 degree. So total amount spent will be 72 divided by 360 multiplied by 96,000. So we got the answer 19200. Accordingly, you can mark the correct option as C. Kindly note it. So the next question. If the amount spent on all commodities together during the year was 80,000. So here in this question, the amount is 80,000. And what is the ratio of the amount spent on the commodities B and E? You have to find out the ratio B by E. For what? B is how much? B is 108. Whatever may be the amount, we can take the ratio from the degree here. 108 is B and E is 36. So what will be the ratio? I can cut this 36 and 108 3 times and 1 time. So 3 by 1. So what ratio we want? We want B is to E. So we want B is to E, which is equal to 3 is to 1. So 3 is to 1 is the required ratio. Accordingly, you can mark option A is the correct answer. Check the answer. B is 108 degree and E is 36 degree. Required ratio is 108 is to 36. So you can cut this 36 and 108 3 times and 1 time. So it got 3 is to 1. So accordingly, the correct answer is answer A, 3 is to 1. Kindly note it. So this way you can solve questions based on pie chart and questions based on bar graph. Okay. So in the next video, we will be solving part 2 of data interpretation, where you will have advanced type of questions. Okay. So I just request all of you, if you want to download the complete sample papers, kindly download it from the app, Trace the Learning app, and the link is also given in the description, or you can download it directly from the Google Play Store. Download it today and get the complete sample paper. Download the complete sample papers today. Okay, and take your preparations to the next level. Okay, we will meet with new topic, new questions in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.